Hi, my name is Nicholas Hoard. I'm a Technology Support Specialist 2 at Beltservice Corporation.
Hi, my name is Isaac Lopez. I'm a junior at Francistown North High School, and I'm enrolled in the St. Charles County CAPS program.
I participated in the CAPS program in 2022.
I currently intern at Beltservice Corporation.
The best thing about working here at Beltservice is the customer service that we can provide for people.
The highlights of my internship is doing the meaningful work that is helping out Beltservice while also learning the professional skills to help me in my career.
The biggest advantage of CAPS is that it teaches you how to be a professional young adult. It's one thing to learn about technology, but it's another thing to apply it in a professional setting. During my time at CAPS, I had a great internship where my assignment was repairing hardware used for scrap. That hands-on experience helped me understand how technology works at a foundational level, from hardware troubleshooting to real-world problem solving. It was an eye-opening experience that solidified my passion for technology. CAPS gave me the real-world experience I needed to transition me into the workforce.